welcome back to another video. I have a product find for you. Are you ready? Ding! And not only is this beautiful box, it comes with a bag. And the bag says, love forever. Ding! Little bow here, by the way. It's so cute. Are you ready? Bing! Oh my god, look at those roses and then the necklace. Oh, I think this is soap roses because it smells like super soapy, or maybe they just put like some type of perfume on it, but either way it's quite nice. And there's a velvet jewelry holder right here, which is also very nice. So let's get into the gem of this product, which is this beautiful necklace here. I don't know if you can even see how beautiful it is. I mean, it's just absolutely gorgeous. That's the back. This is the front. It's a projection necklace, and what makes this quite unique and special, and you guys know I love unique things, is that it projects a photo that's in the stone. It makes it bigger. So I find that absolutely amazing. The photo that's in here is actually a picture of me from when I was a kid, to remind myself you have to love your inner child. Sometimes we get caught up in like busy lives and everything, and we forget to take care of ourselves. And for me, it's always been my inner child. I've always ignored that, and I constantly had to be on this like hustle grind, survival of the fittest, and I always forget to just take care of that person on the inside, if that makes any sense. So wearing this necklace for me will remind me to love myself, and when I look at it, it'll remind me, that was Nala jumping on the bed, it'll remind me to take care of that little girl that's in there, because she's still there. She might be an adult, but she's still there. So yeah, I really love this necklace. I'll show you, basically you put a flashlight here and it'll display on the wall, so I'll show you that. It has to be dark though for you to really see it. But I think this is an amazing gift for anyone. It's very sentimental and it's very beautiful, so I'll show you some clips of that in a minute. This brand you can find on Amazon. It's Easycosy, which is a super cute name. And I mean, this is just absolutely gorgeous. I can't stop staring at it. This can be a customized gift for whomever. It can be birthdays, weddings, Valentine's Day, anniversary, you name it. I just think it's so perfect. Right, you guys, I forgot to actually show a video clip of it on. Isn't it so beautiful? And it matches my shirt. I love it. I love that it sits like not too close to the neck like a choker and not too long either. I think it's like absolutely perfect. It's so beautiful. Please ignore the pimple right there. Yeah. But yeah, this is how it looks. Forgive the hair. And now we're going to show you how the necklace projects on the wall. So basically, it's daylight right now, so I'm gonna shut my curtains and everything and make sure it's super dark so that you can see it as clear as possible. And I just think this is so amazing. I've played with it a few times and I just can't get over how awesome it is. Using the light on my phone, and I'm just gonna put it up against the necklace, and the rest is amazing. When I walk close to the wall, the image gets smaller, and when I walk back, the image gets bigger, and it's just a picture baby Betty. So it's really cool, and I hope you enjoy it as much as I do. I hope you guys love this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for everyone who watches my videos weekly, and until my next video, besos.